I'm Dr. K. Murli Krishna. Today I'm introducing about to that mineralogy. So mineralogy is one of the branch of geology. It's a study about different types of minerals. After having two different types of minerals, one is the rock forming, another one is the ore forming. So before going into detail in mineralogy, so what is the general definition of mineral? So when you say the mineral, it is a first of all, it is a naturally occurrence in homogeneous and definite atomic structure and definite chemical composition. So it is called mineral. So minerals are having two types. So one is the rock forming, another one is the ore forming. In the earth surface, almost 90% minerals are rock forming minerals. So rock forming minerals are much more abundance of silica is there. It is called rock forming minerals. The ore forming means when the mineral contained in the economic value, it is called ore forming minerals. So what is the importance of civil engineering point of view minerals? So in the civil engineering point of view, so in the extraction of different minerals, if you utilize various purpose, the most of the rock forming minerals used in the construction purpose and aggregated purpose and different decorative purpose. So this is the importance, major importance in civil engineering. So and now how to identify the minerals in that properties of minerals, that is called it as the physical properties of minerals. So minerals having different types of physical properties. So those are the color, streak, luster, hardness, specific gravity, cleavage, fractures. So these are the physical properties of minerals. So now I want to explain color. So color means when you observe the mineral in the color, so the mineral having some absorption of some light. If you have the light, we are able to identify the color. So without light, we are unable to find out any color. So for example, this mineral having absorbed some wavelengths, it's what the reflects it is called it as a mineral. So different minerals having different colors. Some of the minerals having different colors. For example, if you take in the quartz is the occurrence of different types of colorization. So this is the purple color quartz. So this is the rose color quartz. So the similar like in the smoky quartz and milky quartz also is there. Some of the physical properties and color is not a peculiar property to identification of minerals. So because of minerals having based on the impurities, it's a different colorizations will be occur. Some of the minerals having similar colors. So like one of the example is sulfur. Sulfur is looks like to that yellow color. So this is about color and a luster. So luster, when you mineral will be rotated in the reflected light, what will be appearance of the color? What is the appearance? It is called as a luster. So lusters having two types. So one is the non-metallic, another one is the metallic. So metallic minerals having luster is that some shiny material we have to observe. So this is about to that metallic luster. So this is the one of the example iron ore. Hematite is a good example for metallic luster. In that non-metallic minerals having different types of lusters. For example, if you take that mica, so mica having the pearly type of luster, the shiny material will be about pearly nature, and quartz is the vitreous luster. It is that broken glass structure. So that is one example of vitreous. Like silky luster, that is the asbestos and gypsum material having some silky fibrous material. So this is about to that silky luster. So these are the examples of luster in non-metallic minerals. So non-metallic minerals either silky, either pearly, either vitreous, either dull luster. Dull luster having some type of clay minerals. Like example of kyanite, it will be showing dull luster. So this is about the luster. Luster means when the reflected light, when you rotate the mineral in the reflected light, what will be appearance? It is called luster. Means the color of the powder. So when you rub it that in the streak plate diagonally, what color it will be appearance? That is the streak powder. Streak powder color is called streak. So most of the minerals having different types of streak. So when you identify the minerals, so based on the streak, this represents the peculiar property of mineral, physical property of mineral. So most of the metallic minerals showing the different types of streak colors. For example, hematite, it will be shows a brick cherry red or a brickish red, brick red color will be showing to that. So this is that mineral, it is called as hematite ore. So most of the rock forming minerals, it contains silica nature, always it will be showing to that white color powder, the streak color. So in the one of the peculiar property to identification of mineral, the streak, the metallic minerals. Hardness. Hardness means by rubbing of two minerals, so which impressions will be identified in that is that weaker mineral. So for example, in the hardness scale, Moho, the scientist name is the Moho, they define to that 1 to 10 hardness minerals. So that is the talc, gypsum, calcite, apatite, fluorite, feldspar, quartz, topaz, corundum, diamond. So these are the 1 to 10 hardness minerals in the earth crust. So hardness means when you identify the known mineral hardness to unknown minerals. So at that time, by rubbing of known mineral to unknown mineral, so when you are able to, the impressions will be identified in that unknown mineral, so that is the least hardness. So generally that is a hardness scale. So if non-available of hardness box in that lab, field purpose, if you have to take into that measurements, our nail hardness is the less than 2.5. So whichever the mineral having least hardness to less than 2.5, so that is that we are using our nail. Whichever mineral having 6 to 6.5 hardness, so that is we are using to that some knife. In the similar way, we have to using for that glass related material. So that is the hardness is that above near and above of 7. So this is the hardness scale. So hardness means when you identification of minerals, which mineral will be hardest. So comparing to hardness, we are able to know the particular mineral hardness. So these are the most hardness scale minerals. So that is earlier I told you that. So that is the 1 to 10. One is the least hardness mineral, that is a talc. Almost diamond is the hardness is 10 compared to the corundum 100 times is the major hardness is related to diamond. So most of the drilling purpose we are always utilizing for diamond drilling. So cleavage. Cleavage is the one of the peculiar property to identification of mineral. So cleavage means when you see the mineral having the perfect plane, it is also called cleavage is present. Cleavage is absent. So when the mineral having perfect plane, it is called cleavage is present. So for example, mica related mineral, one set of cleavage is there. Why? Because of the mica mineral having a different layer by layer. When you see the two sets of cleavage, that is two sets of cleavage is there. This is the feldspar having two sets of cleavage. So in the similar wise, in that fluorite having 4 sets of cleavage and some halite minerals having 3 sets of cleavage. So based on that surface nature, when it is a flat surface plane is there, the cleavages will be identified to that. Most of the rock forming minerals having good type of cleavages. Most of the ore forming minerals, they are not present in that cleavage. Fracture. When you break the minerals, it's an appearance of a regular pattern or irregular pattern. So for example, most of the silica minerals are having based on the cleavage plane, so they having regular pattern of fracture. So they will be fractured even nature. So most of the metallic minerals having irregular fracture, because of metallic minerals is having is irregular pattern. It contains of some metals. So that is the cleavage and fractures will be both are similar ways we are able to identify that. And now coming to that form. So form or habit, it looks like appearance of minerals. So different minerals having different types of appearance. For example, so when you take into the bauxite minerals, it will be appearance of physiolitic appearance. It means the dotted, surrounded, pebbly type nature will be identified. That is the physiolitic. And some type of kyanite minerals having some minerals having some bladed structure. This is the mineral name is the kyanite. Its the hardness is a two types of hardness is there. One is the horizontal is the 5, the vertical is 7. Its the structure or form is that bladed form. And the galena minerals having some cubical forms. So this is about the galena. It will be shape is the cubic shape. So different minerals having the originated time they will be formed as a different type of. So either massive or acicular or physiolitic or any fibrous materials or any cubic nature. This is about tells about to that form or habit. So now I explain to that the quick identification of minerals based on the properties. So if you have to see in that quartz mineral, so quartz having different types of colorization, either purple color, either rose color. So most of the minerals having some vitreous luster. So most in the when you observing that hardness by using a most hardness scale, this is a hardness 7. So while the fracture wise, that is the conchoidal fracture, that is a one peculiar property of mineral in the quartz. So that is the conchoidal fracture. So this is the able to identification of quartz. This is the quartz. So this is the mineral name is the mica, that is the biotite mica. Mica having two types, that is the muscovite and biotite. Muscovite is looks like that muscovite, biotite is looks like to that black color. In that muscovite it's look like the white color. This is the mica. So this is the bladed structure, that is called as a kyanite. Kyanite having the form as a bladed form. So this is that galena having some cubical nature. So it will be a grayish color, it will look like to that. So this is the bauxite having some physiolitic nature. This is that bauxite. So this is the graphite. So most probably you are utilizing that pencil leads in that various industries. So this is the asbestos. So when the silky fibrous material. Okay. So this is the asbestos. We have seen into that fibrous material. So that is the silky luster. So this is the asbestos. So this is that hematite. So it will be streak color is cherry red. So this is the pyrite. Pyrite is to look like brass yellow. So this is the feldspar. Feldspar is a pinkish color. Feldspar is the two types, basically plagioclase feldspar and orthoclase feldspar. So this is the mineral name is the feldspar. So this is the fluorite. So this is the mineral in the most hardness scale minerals. This is the fluorite. So this is the calcite. Calcite is the most hardness scale mineral. Hardness is 3. So this is the talc. If you see in the talc, it feels the some greasy soapy feel. If you identify to that, so hardness also is that less than 2.5. It easily break to that, scratch to that. So this is when you see into that talc mineral, it feels like some soapy feel. So this is about the quick identification of minerals. Thank you.